What's up guys, I am DK. Today I am unbox recently launched the Vivo X Note. So let's start. Well, let's unwrap this newest beast. At the back it's a leather. They call it vegan leather. This feels good in hand. It feels very smooth and looking very premium. Power button and volume rockers are on the right side. There is a sound profile slider on the left side like iPhone and OnePlus. On the top, noise cancellation mic and a air blaster. At the bottom we have a speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone and a compact SIM card slot. Obviously not expandable storage option. Vivo X Note got a 5000 mAh battery and comes with the 80-watt fast charger inside the box. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging. Vivo X Note took 33 minutes to get from 0 to 100%, which is pretty fast considering it has a 5000 mAh battery. The phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm processor. Vivo X Note got a very impressive display panel. It's a 7 inches AMOLED LTPO with QHD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and a in-display large ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. If you are interested in face unlock, then yes, Vivo X Note also comes with standard face unlock option. Definitely this is a flagship smartphone and all Vivo flagship phones comes with Zeiss coated lens. The Vivo X Note comes with a 50 megapixel Samsung ISO cell Gen 1 main sensor. So this is our Vivo X Note's normal detailed video. Thanks for watching.